Welcome to the YouTube channel Botany for All. In today's video, we are going to discuss about some various forms of the plants. So generally the word phyta or the phytes represents the plants. So we have seen many types of the phyta plants generally in our books or somewhere else. So I'm going to talk about the different forms. Firstly, the halophytes. Phyte means, as I already said, the plants. Halo means saline condition. The plants which love the saline conditions. Generally the plants cannot survive in the saline condition, like in any kind of the ocean or any kind of the soil which is having a high concentration of salts. But those plants which love the saline conditions are called the halophytes. So these are the plant which lives in the saline condition. CO means dark, phytes means plants. So those plants which love the dark condition or which are able to grow in the dark condition. Generally, light is an important factor for the growing of plants as well as the seed germination or the development of different things. But there are some plants which can even grow in the dark condition. So those plants are called ceophytes. Next one is the lithophytes. Litho means rock. So those plants which easily grow on the rock surface. Other than the soil, if they can easily grow on the rock surface, so those plants are called the lithophytes. Next one are the seismophytes. Seismophyte means the plants which love the sandy soil. Although the sandy soil is not a good soil for growing of the plant, there should be a mixture of soil like loamy soil that is very good for growing of plant. But the plants which love the sandy soil are called the seismophytes. Xerophyte means which are present in the dry condition, physically dry or maybe physiologically dry. Maybe the water is not actually present, or if even the water is present, that may be not available to the plant. In both of the cases, the plants are called the xerophytes. Next one is the hydrophytes, the water loving plants. Acidophils means the plants which can grow well under the acidic condition. Similarly, basophils which can grow well under the basic condition or the alkaline condition. Heliophytes. Helio is the opposite or contrasting of the ceophytes. Helio means light loving, which only grow or which loves to grow in the light. Api means on the other plant. Okay, so the plant which grow on the another plant. A plant may grow anywhere other than the soil. It may grow on a wall or on an animal. Okay, but when the plant grows on the another plant or an algae, that will be called the apiphyte. The cryophyte means the plants grow on the ice or snow. The chemiphyte means the plants which loves cold temperature. See, there's a difference between cryo and chemiophytes. The plants directly growing on the ice or the snow are cryophytes, whereas the plants which loves the cold temperature are the chemiphytes. So these are some forms of the plant. In the upcoming video, we will discuss about another forms of the plant also. So that's all for today. Have a good time.